1. Earth has 7 continents, including Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. 2. Mount Everest is the world's tallest mountain, standing at 29,032 feet, 8,149 meters above sea level. 3. The Pacific Ocean is both the largest and deepest ocean, featuring the Mariana Trench, which reaches a depth of about 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters. 4. The Nile River in northeastern Africa is often considered the world's longest river, spanning around 4,135 miles, 6,650 kilometers. 5. The Amazon rainforest in South America is renowned for its incredible biodiversity, potentially hosting up to 10% of the world's known species.